Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER and
my name is Yasir Shafiq.
Today we are in Kocaeli at Yuvacık region, and we would like to introduce one of the best and newest, most luxury apartment project for you today. Yes, what we have as a specification for these beautiful properties and for this beautiful project, brother Yasir, we have 11,000 square meters project area. On these 11,000 square meters project area, there are 4 blocks and 124 luxury properties is rising up.
Wow, it's so big.
Rising up, and handover time of this beautiful project is just on September.
Okay, and how much is the area again?
11,000 square meters.
Oh, it's so big project.
Yeah, and variation of the properties are starting at 1+1 up to 4+1. I mean 1 room plus 1 living room,
and
4
4 plus
rooms plus 1 living room. And the range of the size of the properties flats are starting from the 113 square meters up to 200 square meters. Also, one of the good thing about this project, also there are commercial sections are available inside the project too. What it is providing benefit for the properties, attraction means benefit. Yeah, here is gonna be more you can handle it because
because we have mountain nature, beautiful nature, and the mountain view is really beautiful.
So let's make a summarization. So especially I want to show these commercial stores on the model. Then we are gonna have a look to inside of the project. You can see the reality, and you know it's still under construction term, and you can use the benefit of the installment payment for this project. Let's start with the model.
Yeah, let us show you the model of this whole project.
As you see.
Okay.
This road is directly this road. We are directly that road. Okay, and directly near the project is directly near us, as you see.
This.
On the corner you can see the commercial sections, and
you can also understand from the drone shots.
Yes, bravo.
You can understand from the drone shots.
Near the roads, there are gonna be commercial stores, coffee shops, restaurants, markets are gonna be available over there, and there are 20 shops are available. The size of the shops are starting from the 100 square meters up to 250 square meters. And concept again, it's like such a 5-star hotel concept. There is indoor and outdoor swimming pool, so sport facilities and indoor and outdoor parking lots are available. Concept is, as I mentioned before, like the same like the other previous project. It's so beautiful. So let's check it out, the reality together. Sorry for the quality of the voice because our battery is off right now. Now I'm gonna show you sample property, not determining.
Let's see a sample property together. The weather is so good.
Yes.
You have to speak loud, Hakan abi. Okay, so
one room, and the most important thing in this case, of course, directly in front of us.
yeah, the sea view, Marmara Sea.
View. The front side is looking for the Marmara Sea view. The back side is looking for the
Mountains
and Green Valley.
Wow. So this is another room, right?
Yes, brother.
Okay.
In close future, inshallah, we are gonna make a couple of videos about this project too.
Okay, perfect.
So that I don't wanna, how can I say, give confusion to our subscribers. This is the situation of the construction.
Yeah, it's under construction.
And as you see, we are in a very central place, and we are so close to the city center of Kocaeli, just 10 minutes far away from here. And there are many kind of attractions are available. In shortly, for catching this opportunity, please direct contact with me. My name is Hakan OZER. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. I'm repeating my number again, 0090532207864. Brother,
Yeah,
did you ever hear?
Yeah.
Make selfie. Make selfie. You are recording. I am telling.
Come on, guys, subscribe, yeah.
Please,
Please subscribe. Show some love. We love you, so love us back by subscribing.
Let's meet at mutual love.
Mutual love.
Single,
Not
mutual
one-sided love.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Ramadan Kareem, fi aman Allah. Ma selamet, fi aman Allah.
Bye.